Hi there, my name's Padma. I'm from Llibertat, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about using data in content design. So content design is evidence-based, so we need to know what language people are using, who our users are, and what's their kind of mental model when we're trying to understand how to structure a particular piece of content on a particular topic. There are a bunch of free things that you can use to help you unpack that a little bit. And generally I'd sort of suggest, if you're doing the kind of complicated stuff, ask a data analyst, ask a SEO specialist, ask somebody who makes their entire world. But quite often you've got half an hour that you can spend like unpacking data. You've got to write something fairly quickly. Usually we've got these kind of tight deadlines. So what can you do in that half an hour? First thing I would suggest, look at your analytics from your website. So like quite often people have got Google Analytics. There's a bunch of different analytics software packages out there, and that help you understand what's happening once users get to your site. So what do they think is most important, which parts of your site are working, which you need work on them, what's the kind of flow, what do users care about on your site. Then like looking at web wide, you've got Google Trends, which is a way of kind of comparing one term against another, so that you can see what you might want to call your page in terms of the language of the user. There's keywordtool.io, which is another way of kind of understanding the kinds of things that people are searching for. You've got SEMrush or SEMrush, which you have to register with these days, but you get 10 free searches a day, and that's got lots of useful information. Answer the Public, really useful for unpacking around a particular keyword or key phrase. What are the questions that people want answered? So that kind of helps you understand what you might want to write about. And then of course, so that's all analytics of what's happening, user behavior on the web or on the website. Then you also, ideally, you want to be able to do user research as well. And that gives you a kind of deep dive. So you might know what people are doing. User research helps you understand why people are doing that, why people think that, and what people struggle with and what people find easy, and that sort of thing. So if you kind of have that kind of broad perspective from web-wide data or kind of territory-wide data, because you can specify your country if that's the most relevant, then you've got what's happening on your own website, and then you've got understanding motivations and blockers and pain points and things that people would like to be able to do and that sort of thing from user research. And you bring all that together and you can make some really strong evidence-based decisions about your content and serve your users better. Thank you.